Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making two easy dishes using Korean Daikon. Gakdugi, which is cubed Daikon kimchi, and shredded Daikon salad. Let's get started. So this is what we'll use to add umami to the dishes. I'm gonna use the fish sauce as well as the salted krill, which you can find at any Korean market. If you're a vegetarian, soup soy sauce, here on the left, is a great substitute. This is a little over 2 pounds. I'm using a third of it for the salad and the rest for the kimchi. You don't have to peel the skin, I'm just removing some of the imperfections. For the shredded salad, we're going to julienne. You can use a mandolin, but I prefer to chop by hand. This yielded about 2 cups. We also need some chopped green onion. Now let's put it all together. Add green onion, chopped garlic, gochugaru, fish sauce, white vinegar, sugar, and a dash of salt. As you mix and massage, the daikon will soften quite a bit. Alright, let's give it a taste. It's a little spicy and a bit tangy from the vinegar. It's good to go. Now for the kimchi. We're cutting this into 3/4 inch cubes. Then we'll salt them with kosher salt or rock salt. Let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes, tossing occasionally. While we're waiting for that, we can prep the veggies. I'm using chives today, but green onion will also work. Cut into 1-inch pieces. And we're gonna julienne the carrots. This is daikon after 30 minutes. A lot of water has been drawn out. We're going to reserve and use it later. This is 2 tablespoons of gochugaru, 1 tablespoon of sugar, lots of garlic, and the veggies, the salted krill which I minced, and fish sauce. I'm giving it a taste. It needed a little bit more fish sauce, gochugaru, and the rest of the reserve liquid. Now the final mix. And another taste. It's perfect. I pressed down and packed it really tight to fill this jar. I'm gonna leave it out for 24 hours and check it then. Okay, here it is, the next day. You see the bubbles? That's what we want. And more liquid drawn out of the veggies. I'm happy with it. It's ready for the fridge and it'll keep fermenting over time. See guys, kimchi doesn't have to be complicated. And also easy to make small batches. Hope you guys tried this recipe, and let me know how it turns out. See you at the next one.